Hi guys, and welcome to yet another pointless unboxing video. But some of you like to see what's in the box, so let's get it started. And of course I'm using the right tool for the job. And one, and two, and three. And let's open her up. What do we have? Ta-da! It's another power supply. Yay! First we have the user manual, then we have the power supply itself. It's this thing, and what else? We have the mains wire, the stupid load cables, and some packaging, but that's it. So the box is empty, let's throw it out. Let's see what we have here. Gonna mains wire, load wires, and the power supply itself. Let's get the packaging off. This one, then this one. The foil, and we have here the KPS3010D. There is another power supply review coming, so stay tuned for that. So that's all there is in the package, coming with this power supply, the manual, load wires, the mains wire, and the power supply itself. That's it for this video. See you in my next video. It's probably gonna be a review of this power supply. So stay tuned. Bye.